Hey guys, Richard here. So we're going to take this 630 reverse fat tire tadpole trike, however you want to describe it here. We're going to take it out for its first ride after all the work that we've done on it from the crash. We got everything fixed on it, we think, or I think, and replace some parts, and so I'm going to take it down the street and kind of document the first ride afterwards and see if everything's functioning properly, if there's any other issues that come up. And yeah, so I thought I'd take you along for the ride. And with Toby as our witness there, we'll see how this works out. I will be wearing my trusty old Cena helmet. All right, so let's see. Make sure it's still... Maybe I should have checked to see if the battery's charged. It is. We're good. All right, wallet tucked away. Let's see how we're doing. Yeah. So we end up having to replace the derailleur. You can chip here so you can see better. We ended up having to replace the derailleur. I wasn't planning on that initially, but then we realized it was bent and couldn't do much with it. Tried to straighten it out, it wasn't working, couldn't get it adjusted, so I had to replace it. But I think we have it all squared away now. The bike is feeling like it's back to normal. There we go. It's going through all the gears, so that's a good sign. I'm going to keep it kind of low. Got to turn around here. Yeah. All right. Feeling pretty good. Feeling pretty stable. You know, I had someone coming out to look at the 630 thin tire today. In fact, right now. They're supposed to be here right now. They said they had to drive like an hour and a half. So I scheduled my day around them showing up. And then right when they were supposed to be here, they texted me and said, hey, are you available later on today? Because, you know, we haven't left yet. And something came up. Well, like, you know what? I'm sitting here waiting for you. And you haven't even left and you're an hour and a half away. So, no, I'm not going to sit here and wait the rest of the afternoon for you to maybe show up. I got other things to do. But we are selling that one. And the reason I bring it up is that one's more squirrely. Because the tires are thinner, the tires are smaller on the front and the rear, so it just makes the whole thing a little more squirrely. This is a lot more stable. Yeah, it just, you don't feel like you're so woo all over the road. So I like this one. This is a good one. This is a good one. The other one, maybe not so much. You got to be pretty brave to ride that one. I'm going to be doing a review on this one, maybe even today I can squeeze it in. But sometime real soon, because we owe 630 a review video. We've been waiting about 2 months since the crash, and just kind of waiting for parts to show up and time and to get everything put on and tweaked and put back together. And then I was sick for almost 4 weeks, and so, but we're ready to knock that out. If you're interested in this fat tire, we are going to be selling this one too, because it's not something we're going to keep in our inventory, just mostly because of the accident. Just don't want it around. So if it's something you're interested in, make sure you reach out to me. If you're in the Florida area, no, I do not ship. Sorry, it's got to be local pickup or delivery. So just contact me and let me know. We'll work something out maybe. Yeah, gotta turn it around right here. Well, I'd say that we probably got this thing fixed up just fine, because it's shifting fine, everything seems to be fine. Yeah, I'm happy with it. So we're gonna call this done, ready to go. And with that, that's gonna be it for this video too. So give me a like, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. I'll see you guys in another video real soon.